Now, at times it may happen the project is quite huge. The test cases are divided into multiple packages. Let's say this package is for functional test. I'll create another package for, let's say, the regression test. And this will have, let's say, two test files from this package. I'll paste it over here, right? Same way we can have n number of packages and different test files inside it. Now I want that in TestNG XML, let's say this is my functional TestNG XML which is running these three classes. I'll create one more XML file. I'll say TestNG convert to TestNG. See, all 5 classes are picked, but I don't need all 5. I need only from the regression, and I'll name it as regression regression.xml. You can give any name to the XML file, right? Remove this and click on finish. So another file created, and this is, let's say, regression suite. The changes didn't happen, so I'll do it over here, right? So see, before that, in the last session we have seen how to create a suite file, but in a suite file we have a suite tag. Inside that we have a test tag, starting test, end test. Then we have classes. Inside class we keep our classes. So again, I'll be adding two classes over here, two tests over here. So one will contain one class and one will contain the another class, and the classes are provided like package dot the class name, package dot the class name, right? So package was regression, and then the class name is test case one. So I'll say regression and name it as login test, and this is regression validate title test. Right, now we have two files. Oh, sorry, I did it over here. This has to be done over here in the test name. Regression validate title test. Right, now in case you want to run the regression suite, you can simply right click over here, say run as TestNG suite. You're going to see that only regression tests are executed. In case you want to run your functional suite, so run this TestNG XML and your functional suite will be executed. Now, what if you want to run both? So you can create a master suite file. How to create a master suite file? I'll just copy this suite file and paste it again over here. Master suite.xml. And inside this, I'm gonna remove all these test tags, suite files, and the path. So path is testng.xml, one file, and the other file is regression.xml. Control Shift F will align it properly. This is master suite file, and this is the current directory. Right. So this is how you'll be providing the suite file path, and if in case you run this master suite file, what will happen is you're going to see both the functional suite as well as regression suite are executed successfully, right? So this is how you will be doing this stuff, right? So this is what the master suite file is a collection of test suites, and a single suite file is collection of multiple test cases. All right.